Good morning, everybody. It is currently 9:22. I am in pain. I don't know what happened. I slept on my arm wrong, so it hurts for me to lift my arm. I gotta take some Tylenol, and then my leg hurts too. I think I just slept on my left side really bad. So that's what I'm going through today. But I'm trying to figure out what to make Charlotte. What's going on? I'm trying to figure out what to make Charlotte for breakfast because I don't have any fruits for her because I haven't been to the grocery store to get her any fruits. So I've been trying to figure out what I can make for her. I've been making oatmeal for the last couple days. But yeah, I'm kind of still on strike.
And I keep my picture.
Yeah, I'm still on strike on cleaning this place up. Graham, I just went off on Graham this morning. I'm like, Graham, I clean up all the time. He's like, well, it doesn't look like it. You need to clean up multiple times a day. And I'm like, I clean up multiple times a day. I'm like, watch my stupid videos. You see what I do, but you know, it doesn't get to him because he thinks that he works 8 hours, that I should be cleaning non-stop, and it's like, no, it's a two-way street. Yes, I do believe that. I said, yes, I do believe I should do more work. I do understand that, but when it's the same thing multiple times a day, it really gets old super fast. So I was gonna be like, I'm on strike, I'm gonna pick up and I will take a picture of it to him and shove it in his face that I did pick up, and then when he gets home at whatever time he gets home today, I did clean up. I did my share. I'm not constantly gonna clean up the same thing. But I do have somebody calling.
Mommy.
I have somebody.
Mommy.
What, honey?
You can go my paper.
Yeah, just give me a second. I do have somebody coming or calling me later today. I'm not sure what time it's gonna be, but we're gonna discuss Mr. Benjamin. So yeah, we got that going on.
Bagel.
Okay. Well, give her one then.
That's fine. I can get out of this one.
Okay, give her one then. So yeah, so I'm currently just kind of picking up here and there. I'm gonna empty the dishwasher because I do that every single day. But I'm gonna empty the dishwasher, just kind of pick up a little bit, and then I'm gonna take a picture and show Graham that I do clean up every single day. And he just, yeah. And I don't need marriage counseling, you guys. Like, I can't afford it. He won't go. And second of all, it's a lost cause with him. So I've just learned to live with him. I've been with him for, God, how long have we been together? Since 2006, pretty much 2007. So I've been with him, it'll be our 13th year together, I think, this winter, I think. Yeah, it's just a lost cause. Not gonna win, it's a lost cause, but he just doesn't think I do anything at all. So, you know, and even if I do and I work my butt off, he still can't even tell. So it just pisses me off. There's a guy riding his bike when it's kind of funny. But right now I was just kind of juuling a little bit. I am working on a cup. I'm doing a video for this right now, you guys, so you'll have to check this out. I'm hoping to maybe have it posted by Saturday. But that's what I'm working on right now, and then just kind of picking up here and there. I gotta work on my Walgreens video.
Mommy,
I gotta work on. Just let her eat what she's got first. I gotta work on my Walgreens video, and then I'm gonna work on. Can you stop talking, please? Nobody needs to know your business. So yeah, so I'm gonna work on the Walgreens video. I'm gonna work on the inserts that we're getting this week. I gotta work on that very soon. I'm gonna pick up a little bit. I'm gonna fix Ben's shirt. I made Ben a Baymax shirt a while back ago, and I messed up on it royally because I didn't do it correctly, but you know, I'm still learning. So I'm gonna fix that today, and then I was thinking of going to the library today just to get out of the house because we haven't been out of the house for the last several days. So I have like a couple more books to read Ben. We're gonna read them, and then we're gonna go to the library later this afternoon. Even if it depends what time Graham gets home, I might just take Ben with me. I don't know. And then I'm also gonna start preparing. Hold on, honey. I'm also gonna possibly do an Ibotta haul tomorrow, you guys, because I just want to do one, and I'm just gonna see if there's any good deals first before I even figure out. Wednesdays are the days that Ibotta updates itself, so that's what I'm gonna do. But hey, if you were watching, I'm gonna show you guys how messy my place is, okay? Like this, you guys saw me do a video 2 days ago on how clean it was. it's just non-stop. I organized all my movies yesterday. This is how bad it is. We're watching Meet the Robinsons. But I really want to get rid of this. I want to put that in his room, but I have a pile of clothes that I'm trying to get rid of. Ben, you can wait. But this is how bad it is, you guys. I clean up, and 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 nothing ever gets back. Like, that's how badly I go through stuff all the time, and I'm beyond irritated on this. And Ben doesn't help me. Graham went off on him last night, you know, pick up, pick up. He picked up for a little bit, but he's so blind that he can't see anything. I don't know, I can't see it, I can't see it. So I'm like beyond pissed off right now of how things are going. And a lot of you guys are like, I need to work with Ben. I understand, but Ben is a freaking lost cause. That's why I needed him to go away for a while, because I'm sick of the constant cleaning. Plus Miss Charlotte doesn't help at all, but she's just a little baby, so I can't get mad at her. But this is just ridiculous on how much stuff I pick up all the time, and Graham never appreciates it. So I'm just going to stop right here, because I'm just going to get more people that are be like, oh, you need to go to marriage counseling, you need to get help. No, it's just beyond that. It's beyond that. I don't get help. I don't catch a break. That's my problem. That's what I'm going through, is I just need a break, and I can never get one.
So it is now 1:20. I feel so much better now. Yeah, I sorry I snapped. It's just when you hear the same story over and over again, it gets really annoying. But I was on the phone with my mom, and I talked, and I picked up. I made Ben pick up. Charlotte's taking a late nap. I just got done filming 3 videos, so I'm posting those. Actually, they're done posting. I just have to schedule them. I'm going to work on my cup a little bit more, and then later today I am going to empty 1 box in the basement. And then I'm also I'm washing all the laundry right now, and so then when Graham gets home, I'm going upstairs, locking the door, turning a movie on, and I'm putting all the laundry away. I just want to be away from my family. So that is what's going on with me today. Yeah, I gotta go run this out. I gotta go run some stuff out in the recycling, but I'm just gonna work on some more of my cup. I started working on another cup for my friend. I'm using a different glue, which is, I've got to get used to it because I'm used to the one glue, but I will show you guys all that. But I am working on some cups, so that's what I'm gonna work on. I had a late breakfast, so we'll figure. I'll have lunch when Charlotte wakes up. But that is what's going on with me today, you guys. Like, I'm not sad, I'm not depressed, I'm not angry, I've had it, and I just don't care anymore. So, but I did make Ben clean up a little bit, now he's gotta clean up some more, so I will catch you guys back. So now it is 3:07. Ben's making a boat out of Legos, but it is 3:07, and Charlotte handed me this cheddar bacon broccoli rice. And I says, no, we don't want it. She just like drops to the ground, puts her head down because she really wants it. So I'm like,
my cool bowl. I made it.
Okay.
It has a flame.
So I'm like, okay, I'll make it for you. So I heated it up. Well, it's like super hot, and then she's having a fit because she wants it now. And I'm like, okay, I put it in the freezer to cool down fast, and she's eating it. Do you like it? Yeah?
And I made the cool guy a robot.
So, she's eating it, so we will see how it goes.
Can I show the tea? Look, I made a cool robot.
So I'm gonna make some s'mores because I'm craving some s'mores. And
yeah, we had s'mores yesterday.
Yeah, you need to clean up some more, kid. So that's what I'm going through. I don't know what time Graham's gonna get home. I think he's gonna get home at like 4 or 5 o'clock. I have no idea. But we will see what today brings. I'm just gonna have a little dessert, I guess, whatever. And then I will catch you back. But I've been working on the cup more and more. So I'm pretty excited for that. So I'm working on the cup some more. And then I started working on another cup for my friend. So I'm not doing a video for this one. So that's what's going on. So I'm gonna have some s'mores and I'll catch you guys. Bye, you guys. So the time is now 9:51. Graham and Ben just went to bed. I put Charlotte to bed, but she wasn't ready to go to sleep. Totally fine with me. I'm just sitting down to relax for the day. I'm watching the Babysitters Club, the Netflix series, which is actually pretty good. It's for young girls, but
I don't know, I like it. I read the books. I actually want to start reading the books again, but it's kind of weird. So after Graham got home, we had dinner, and then him and Ben went out in the pool, and I gave him that look like, you know, really? I wanted to I did all the laundry today. You guys, like, I washed like 5 loads of laundry yesterday and today, and I wanted to put all the laundry away. And I says, Graham, I just wanted to get the laundry done. And so he gets inside, and his cousin texted me. She wanted to help me with Ben. So I'm like, yeah, I'll take it. So she helped me figure out Ben a little bit easier and how I'm gonna do different techniques with him, which we kind of started doing something right away when I got off the phone with her, and so it helps. So we're gonna try some new techniques with Mr. Benjamin. But it was a good excuse because while I was on the phone with her, everybody left me alone, so I got all the laundry put away, you guys. Like, this is the first time where I literally did all the laundry all by myself, all 5 loads. I put it all away, folded it, everything is put away. Usually sometimes I just kind of give up halfway through, but it's summer. One thing I like about summer is nobody wears socks. I hate socks. So that's what's going on. My friend wanted me to make her a cup, so she loves this iridescent one. Well, then she's telling me she wants her name on it, and her name's Jennifer. She just wants the name Jen, and her favorite colors are like a teal and iridescent. So I'm thinking these two will go together. I really got it. I got this teal for something, and then, you know what, I'm like, this is actually perfect for her name. So that is what I am currently working on right now. Charlotte's crawling on my chair. Charlotte! Hey, come here. This is what she's doing, you guys. What are you doing? Get down before you get hurt, princess. Get down before you get hurt. You guys, I had to get her off the chair, but I also, I made Ben a Baymax shirt a couple months, actually like a month or so ago, and I messed up on it. It was my first time doing layering. And when I put it in the washing machine a while back, the stuff came off of it. So I had to redo his shirt. So I ended up cutting out Baymax again, so we can make this shirt for him tomorrow. So got all that figured out, but I just felt like I got some stuff done today. I made Ben and Graham clean up, and I'm like, hey, you guys, see how much you can clean up while I'm putting the laundry away and make me happy. So Ben said he cleaned up, and I come down here, I'm like, no, you didn't.
He did.
No, he didn't.
He did. He did a good job.
I'm not done yet.
He did a good job.
So I'm like, hey, if you want some ice cream, you clean up the rest. So then he just like picked up a lot. It's not perfect, but in his eyes, it's really good. So that's what's going on. Miss Charlotte's just like, Mom, let's watch the Babysitters Club. So Graham's trying to come downstairs and he doesn't want to. And that's fine. I'd rather just hang out with Miss Charlotte. So I will see you guys all bright and early tomorrow. We'll have a better day. I'm going to Ibotta shopping tomorrow, you guys. I'm going it. I need to get out of this house. I need to go shopping. So that's what I'm going to do. See you guys all later. Say bye. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.